What's up, guys? Regal Civic here, and I got some plans for this weekend. It's been a while since I've done anything with the channel. So the plan is I'm going to try to invest in the Regal. Unfortunately, the Buick Regal has just been sitting in storage. It needs new tires, it needs a new battery. It also needs some hoses replaced and some belts. So it's long overdue. I need to put some money into the Regal. I need to investigate its brakes, do an oil change. It needs a lot of TLC, so that's one of the plans. And then the next plan is that on Monday, the SI will have its catalytic converter welded in. And this is something that's been annoying me for a long time because
check engine light.
I don't have a downstream O2 sensor on the exhaust. I hate check engine lights, so I'm gonna be taking it to the shop to get it welded. So this is the neglected work truck. It's a 2000 Ford Ranger. Definitely needs to be washed. And we're long overdue to take this crap to the dump. Alright, so here we are at the storage unit. Came for these. I know they look old and ugly, but this is what I got. I'll clean them up eventually, but these are the rims that I got. On this side, these are Regal rims. These ones were a set, and then those two down there are extras. And then I got winter tires for my Civic right here, and an extra set of tires for the Civics. These came with the SI. These are some crappers. Basically good for burning rubber, so I need to buy new tires for this set also. Yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna take these down to the tire shop. Alright guys, so I finally found what I was looking for amongst all these parts. Got Regal taillights, fenders, trunks, hoods, radiators, fans, all kinds of stuff here, man. Behind me is a whole box of fenders. Just a whole box of fenders. So, okay, so I got an OBD1 wiring harness. Down below there I got Honda Civic Si 1999 EM1 exhaust manifold. Down here, found what I've been looking for this whole time, which is some O2 sensors, and hopefully one of these is the O2 sensor for my car, the Honda Civic Si. Now I got a couple belts for the Regal. Alright, so we got the old white walls off. And I'm putting on the new ones. We're about to see how it looks.
Check engine light.